Complete pump kit. Includes a 7.5 pump with flexible extension hose, inflation needles and inflation gauge along with a carrying case to keep all components organized. Inflation gauge. The heavy-duty pressure gauge measures psi to make sure you are inflating to the perfect pressure. Needles included. Includes 3 needles for pumping up all sizes of soccer balls, footballs, basketballs, playground balls and other inflatables. This pump is not recommended as a bicycle tire pump. Emergency ball maintenance. Keep this ball maintenance kit in your bag so the game never goes flat. Ensure that the proper air pressure meets your game day requirements. Comes with a convenient carry case to bring with you wherever you go. Easy to use. Pump up deflated sports balls quickly and easily, so you or your players can get back into the game. Don't let a deflated ball ruin your play. Top reviews from the United States. Great value. I ordered this mainly for the air pressure gauge. I am a soccer coach and wanted to make sure my soccer balls were inflated properly. Other gauges I had purchased previously were inaccurate and/or did not work at all. This gauge works very well and it is easy to use. I would highly recommend this kit just for the gauge. As far as the pump goes, it also works great. I had another pump already, but I have actually replaced it with this one. What I like about it is that the hose and need are very easy to remove from the pump and reattach. I don't like leaving the needle attached because I get holes poked in my bag. With this pump, I either unscrew the hose with needle attached and carry it separately, or I sometimes leave a rubber band wrapped around the pump, and when I am done using it, I fold the hose up against the pump and secure it with the rubber band. This keeps the needle close to the pump and doesn't allow it to poke holes in my bag or anything in my bag. I highly recommend this kit, as it is easy to use, works flawlessly up to this point, and is inexpensive.